What's your name?
Cleo.
Say your whole name. Say your full name.
Cleo.
And how old are you?
4.
4 and what?
4.
That's right. And where are you going today?
To Germany.
You're going to Germany today?
Yeah.
Oh wow, I'm going to miss you.
I'm gonna miss you.
Oh, but you're going to have loads of fun, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And I'm gonna play games.
Yeah?
And I'm gonna go to the beach.
Yeah?
I'm gonna go on a big airplane.
A big airplane?
Yeah.
And you're
At
gonna,
the airport.
you're gonna at the airport?
Yeah.
And you're going to fly really far?
Yeah.
And where are you flying?
Oh, a little bit far away.
And where are you going?
To Germany.
Aha. And can you say something in German for me?
Dankeschön.
Dankeschön. Oh.
And you know what say in French?
Yeah, go on.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. That's good. So you're multilingual. You can speak loads of languages, can you?
Yeah.
Oh, you're such a clever girl.
And Mummy told me that.
Yeah, Mummy's right. And guess what? You'll be going to the airport. Guess what airport you're going to?
Yeah?
You're going to Birmingham because you flew from. Well, we went to Birmingham a few weeks ago, didn't we? We went shopping.
Yeah. We go shopping and we go to
What did I buy you?
Birmingham.
Oh yeah, what did I buy you in Birmingham?
I don't know. I don't remember today. I don't remember.
I bought you a Elsa balloon.
Yeah?
I bought you a hat.
Yeah?
Bought you a couple of dresses. I bought you a swimming costume. Remember?
Yeah. The one what you give me, the Ariel one.
Yeah.
That costs lots of money.
I know. But you're worth every penny and more. Right. You gonna say goodbye to everyone?
Bye.
Okay. Travel safely when you get to Germany, okay?
Okay.
And I love you.
Love you more.
Oh.